What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. It's your boy Sdmusic. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Burna Boy type beat. Now let's jump right in. Yeah. All right. Today we're gonna be working with 19 patterns. Some of them are just duplicates, just to create a little bit variation. Alright, the first one you're listening to right now. Okay. More like a lead. I got this from Serum. As you can see. And we have the second one. I'm just going to speed it up. Nothing spectacular about this. Just to show you how it is. In case if you want to go ahead and make something like this. And this is the kick and the snare combined in one pattern. So you can see. I decided to use the main pattern volume to do my balancing and left that of the mixer track, so that's going to be a little bit fast for me to edit. Then pattern 2, we have this bass instruments. Pattern 3, we have this thumb roll. I'm just gonna speed it up. Pattern 5, we have this one. And pattern 6, pattern 7 is a percussion next to my favorite part of the music. You know what my favorite part of the music is? Yeah, of course you gotta know that. Alright. Then 7, we have the 808, my favorite part of the music. Well mixed. You're gonna listen to it on the track shortly. Then we have number 9, some extra percussion. Then we have this melody played on the Serum. And also, remember I told you that most of these things are just duplicates to create some differences on the track. Number 13, we have some FPC rolls. I actually played this one using my MPD device, Akai MPD. I'm going to show you that maybe in the future. I have the device. And we have some drum rolls for some transition. Another one, drum roll for transition. And we have this played with Hive. You can use any plugin to play this. I just use these because they are readily available. Number 18, we have some shakers and some, yeah, just like that. And number 19 is what you're listening to right now, is the pad. You know, the pad gives the music some kind of balancing. That's just what I do. And it helped me to transcend from one genre to the other. So if the pad is constant and I'm playing an Afrobeat instrumental, I can use the same pad and switch to a hip-hop flavor using the same pad, of which it will be easy for me to move back and forth. We're going to listen to the track right now and see how it sounds. Alright. I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two today. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification sign so that you can get my video anytime it comes up. And also share the video to your friends and anybody you think the video will be useful for. Until I see you next time, peace to you, Sdmusic.